Ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, I thought I'd give you a little update on Deters Law and what's going on at the law firm. And I want to begin by saying we had two big wins late Friday, a 2-week trial in Judge Michael Barrett, federal district judge in Ohio, Southern District of Ohio's courtroom, where two of our clients went to trial against Dr. Atik Durrani and Cast. And the jury returned verdicts of $1,891,000 and one of $4,687,000, total jury verdict of $6.5 million against Dr. Durrani. There's no gag order in federal court. These verdicts are not sealed. One of the things that many people ask me all the time, they say, well, yeah, you're going to be able to collect it. Well, yes, it's going to be able to be collected. A lot of that money is directly related to the negligence part of the verdict, which is covered under a $42 million policy. They've done anything and everything they can to try to avoid getting out of that, but they're also subject to a bad faith claim going on also in the Southern District of Ohio. But the whole team works very hard the way we do this. Everybody at Deters Law, and I'm the one that actually coordinates it. We get the cases all ready, the experts lined up, all the exhibits ready, everything prepared. I mean, opening statement PowerPoints, closing statements, everything. And then we turn it over to Alan Statman and Ben Moran, who try the cases in the courtroom. And, you know, we hand it off to them, they go do their thing, and things turn out well. We begin today in Hamilton County, 2 more trials. They're being tried 2 at a time now in Hamilton County. So many good things going on at Deters Law. It's absolutely hysterical to watch all the members of the Bar Association. We have so few lawyer friends, which is a badge of honor because you know how lawyers are. We got last week, the week before on a Friday, we got an order in. We ended that week with an order from Judge Lape out of Kenton Circuit Court certifying a class action lawsuit against St. Elizabeth Medical Center for their billing practices. And folks, this applies to everybody. I mean, this is unbelievable what they did. If you go to St. E's and you had, you went in there for, let's say, a cold, and while you were in there, you said, hey, can you check out my knee? Well, they would bill you for 2 office visits. And we now have a class action against St. Elizabeth Physicians Group, which is owned by St. E's, for that, which has been certified. They keep fighting it, but we keep winning. There's just so many other, individual cases that we've got. It's hysterical to see how we're looked at by the outside legal world in the reality of what great work that we do. The KBA can't stop Deters Law. Another thing is this week there is going to be a pitch of the first episode that's complete like a pilot of the documentary to Netflix. And ladies and gentlemen, the American Jury and Bulldog Nation, I will get my revenge. Deters Law will get their revenge. The Durrani victims will get their revenge when the world is told the story of what happened at Dr. Durrani at these hospitals and the system, the Ohio court system, Maureen O'Connor, Judge Mark Schweikert, and others. It is going to be unbelievable. The first episode of a 10-episode series is done. Episode 2 is being worked on, and episode 1 kicks this thing off. There is nobody that will not want to watch this episode, and after watching this episode, will want to watch episode 2, and so forth and so on. It's extraordinary. And I know there's a lot of people that think, well, Eric's just saying this, it's not really true. No, it's really happening. This Netflix series is going to happen. By the way, it may not be Netflix, it's going to be someplace, if not Netflix. Another thing is the book. The book is done, and it is being edited by top echelon New York editor. It's going to read like pros. It deserves that treatment. And that'll be done in December. So my guess is coming in 2022 will be the Butcher of Pakistan 10-episode documentary along with the Butcher of Pakistan book. And the world is going to be told this story. It's unbelievable. It is unbelievable. It's not just like the Doctor of Death where he did all these terrible things. This story is not just what Dr. Durrani did. That's a big part of it and the hell these victims have been through. But you have to add on to that the story of healthcare corporate greed, and you have to add on the absolute corruption of the court system and how the court system has treated these victims. Then you add my own personal story of what the hell I've been through, and you put all that together, there's no story like it. There's no story like it. And it's going to be big, and the world's going to know. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Those two victims had a great day, and there's more to come.